Hey guys, Mr. Thibodeau here. So here we are doing our practice set here. 3/4 of 12 musicians can play the piano. How many musicians play the piano? So here I've already set out 1, 2, 3, 4 sets. Okay, so 9 musicians are doing the piano. For our next one, right, 450, uh, I can't do this one off the top of my head, right? So what we're going to do here, ignore this guy, is we're going to go ahead and do 450 divided by 3. Okay? So 1, 3 minus 2. 5 goes here, 3 goes into 15, 5 times, okay, and so 150. Or, since it's not really 450, it's 4.5, so 1.5, okay? So what we're going to do now is 450 can then be broken into a buck 50. 1 buck 50, 2 buck 50, 3 buck 50. Okay, so 150, 150, and 150. So how much is 2/3 of that? Um, well, that's going to be this and this, which together is $3. Okay. C, 5 of 60. This one should be relatively easy for you if you've looked at an analog clock ever. 5 goes into 60. Okay. 12 times. Okay. So 4 instances of 12 instead of 5 instances of 12. Well, so I could do that math, 4 times 12, or I could just take 12 and subtract it from 60. Okay. Either way, I get, what, 48? Um, do, do, do. Um, yeah, 48. All right. D, what number is 3/10 of 80? Well, that's going to be 3 times 8. So 10 goes into 80 8 times. So each of those, so 10 divided by 80 equals 8. So every one of those times 3 equals 24, right? So 24. That's a pretty easy way to set it up too. So if I were to go back, I would do 5 divided by 60 gives me 12 times 4 equals 48. Okay. E, 5/6 of 24 is what number? So 6 goes into 24 4 times. 4 times 5 equals 20. Okay, so 20 is my answer. F, this one over here. Giovanni answered 9 out of 10 of his questions correctly. What percent of the questions did he answer correctly? Oh, so we're going to 90% of the questions, but what we're going to do here, so 9 over 10, we're going to times it by 10 on both sides. Remember, you can always multiply something by 1. And what is 10 over 10? It's basically 1. 1 over 1 is 1. Okay? So I times it by 9, or by 10, I get 90 over 100. And all any percentage is just a number over 100. Okay? So if you have 50% of something, it's just 50 over 100. Okay? So 90 over 100 is your correct answer here, which really turns into 90%. Okay. All right, that's your practice set for today. Have a good one, guys.